Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a fox. So let's get started. To draw this cute fox, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across about, say, this wide and draw another circle. Now that my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. Now the eyes in, let's go ahead and draw the nose. So in between the eyes, about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a soft curve right in the middle. And then we're going to thicken this all up. So round off the edge right here on both sides and then bring it down into the center and connect. Then I'm just going to come right here at the top and put in an oval for a highlight and shade everything else in. There. So now that I have that, I'm going to go straight down with a little line right in the center. And then we're going to go around to create this oval around the nose. So let's curve out and go up right there. Same thing on this side. Whatever's easier for you. Maybe I think it's easier for me to go this way. But I just want to create this nice little soft oval and bring it right back. Just like the other side for the nose. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm going to very lightly just draw the bridge of the nose. I'm just going to add two little curves right there. A little bit more in. There. And then I'm just going to kind of imagine this is going through over the eye and say about right here over the eye. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a soft curve. So same thing. Just about right here over the eye. Just draw a soft curve coming down. If you like, you can connect this, but I don't want to do that because I'm using a Sharpie and I just feel like it's going to be too dark. So I'm just going to put in these two curves. Okay, so now that I have that, oh, almost forgot. At the bottom right here, let's just add another small curve right underneath. There. And then let's see. Now that we have that, we need to draw the head shape, right? So I think the easiest way is let's find our center, which is about right here, and I'm going to go up nice and high. So let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. Just kind of imagining how high I want it to go and say about right there. I'm going to go ahead and just draw this curve right on top. So right on top of the head. And we're going to go down to where the eye. So same thing here. So just want to make sure this curve is nice and even right on top of the eyes. So something like that. And then now that we have that, we can go ahead and start to slant down on both sides. Okay, so now that we've slanted down, kind of like around where the bottom of the eye is, we want to go out. So let's say about right here. We want to go all the way out. That's our furthest part that we're going to go. So say about right there, and then the bottom of the eye, and then zigzag. And same thing here. So kind of at the bottom, And I'll just give myself a point, just easier for me to see where I'm going on this side. Right there, and then zigzag. And then we're going to bring it all the way down. So find your center, just give it a little bit of a space around underneath the mouth, about right there. And then we're just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. There. So this just makes it a little bit easier, giving yourself these points and measuring a little bit to know where all the lines need to be to create this big head shape around. Okay, so now that we have this kind of lemony shape around the head, I'm going to come right about here and very lightly about right here, I'm going to go right here and just draw a slight curve and then bring it up. So this kind of separates the color for our fox. So right underneath and then up, about there. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and, you know what, this is kind of bugging me. So you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and just connect this. There. Hopefully that won't be too harsh. Around the eye. I just feel like it needs to be anchored. Okay, there. Then we can go ahead about right in this area, draw some ears. So I'm going to start about right here. We're going to draw some big, tall fox ears. So about right here, round off the tip and bring it down to about there. And then for some details inside, we're going to come right here and just draw a curve coming down. It's going to be thicker on this side, and then we're just going to follow whatever you drew on the other side. And then inside, we can just draw maybe just 3 zigzags for some tougher fur inside. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just dragging some points across so that I'm approximately the same on the other side. So about right there. And once again, bring it all the way down to there. And then the inside. There. Okay, so now we finally finished the head. So now we can go ahead and draw the body. So I'm going to say right underneath the eye, about right here and here. Just give myself these 2 points. And let's go ahead and draw some fur. So I'm going to draw a curve and maybe another one. One more. And we're going to bring it down to about right here, kind of like the center. And then same thing on this side. Maybe just 2 on this side. And curve. And connect. There. And then let's come back up here. So say about here. We're going to draw the front legs. And the back side would be about right here, so we're going to curve. But okay, let's work on the legs first. So this main one, the front one right here, I'm going to come back to this point I created, and I'm going to come down at a slight angle, and let's thicken up. So let's say about right here, and we're going to be a little bit thinner as we come down for the front leg. And let's say about right there, I'm going to go ahead and pop this out and connect. And then right about here, I'm drawing 2 curves. And so then we're going to do the same thing on this side. So let's bring this in. I'm going to curve it in a little bit. Just end a little bit higher, and then right about here, once again. And bring it in. So then in this little space right here, just going to draw a little bit of an angle right there. And I think you can probably see a little bit here. But you know what? I'm just going to leave it as is, just a line right there. So same thing here. Put in 2 curves. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and draw the back. So I'm going to curve, give a little bit of curve for the back. And then about, say, where the head is, I'm going to start to bring it down about right here. And just to make it a little bit simpler so that we don't have to draw too many details, I'm going to come right here and put in the tail. So I'm just going to cover this whole area with this tail. And it makes sense because foxtails are very fluffy, right? So, and I'm just going to push it right into this edge. And then right about here, give a little bit of a curve to give it some definition. And then we're going to come right back here and curve to connect everything. There. I'm going to fix my curve here. Maybe bring this down more. Okay, so now that we have that, we need to draw one more curve about right here so that we know that there's the legs. So we're just going to tuck it into the arms. You know what, I think there would be a line here, so I'm just going to draw this here. But then that doesn't really make sense. Okay, hold on. Let me draw what I need to draw first. I'm going to put a heart right here to make this my just so cute fox. And then maybe another layer of fur right in here. And then let's go ahead and do some erasing. Sorry about that. I should have thought this through better. Okay, I think that doesn't look like it makes sense. I'm just gonna erase that. And once we color it, it'll kind of come, it won't matter as much. And let's see here. Just trying to fix my curve to make it nice and smooth. Okay, so now that we have our curves kind of fixed, let's come back. I almost forgot, I need to come back in here and I'll just put in some zigzags just for some separation of color. About here, and then I think that is pretty much it, except maybe I can make this a little bit curvier. There. Okay, that is it then. Oh, and I guess I need to connect this part for the color. And okay, I'm sorry. I promise that's it now. So hopefully I didn't make it too complicated and I was able to help you draw this new cute fox fun and easy today. And if I did help you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.